Hey guys, new video here. Just not trading really well. Um, I'm just getting slapped around by the market in different areas. Today, let's see, Hoff did horribly, and even though I am up, it's up and down the entire day. To be honest, like it was such a good stock, and did so bad on it. I was decent on it in pre-market, and then I gave a lot of it back in pre-market because it was just getting away. It was just so FOMO of it. Um, the SPY is 0 DTE. Jesus Christ, dude, that is okay. Maybe I looked at the. Okay, I think I misread this. Okay, the line is up there. Why did I? Hang on one second. I'm looking at the lines that I drew for pre-market. No, wait, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, so with pre-market, it broke the pre-market highs, and then I did a short or on a on the puts, but then it came back, and that was really frustrating. It went back down for some reason. It's hard to show you at the moment what I mean, but yeah, that was bad. The SPY, I got a decent trade on it. I am in a trade now because I just got back and I saw this, and I think it's worthwhile to take because it's a decent setup. I might add like right here if it gets here, and see if I can ride it at least to the first profit target, if not the second. So here, so I am up on SPY, barring this trade, or the ES barring this trade. So here I really like this because there's a lot of buyers and sellers down here, and then we have some stack imbalances here, and it went back up after a series of reds. So to me, this suggests that maybe there's sellers down here that's getting trapped, and they're selling, but then there's other people buying. Now those sellers down there are getting a little antsy. They might be covering. So hopefully they cover into that target, but yeah, I guess we'll see. Yeah, that's not a very good day. I'm gonna have to size down a 0 DTE because yeah, this trade, I guess maybe it ran against me a little bit. Actually, let me see how bad it was. I bet you I got just stopped out by 1 cent. Yup, I got stopped out by 1 fucking cent. That's just fucking great. So I think I was like right here. Yeah, I was trying to catch it right here, but I caught it down here at like 10 cents, like right there. And then it stopped me out right there. It literally hit my stop and stopped me out. That's just great. What do you say to that? I don't know. It's really, I think the trade was good. Maybe I should give him a little more leeway, but the trade was definitely a good trade for what it was. Like, I followed the strategy, but my god, how did it stop me out right at my stop? That's a little frustrating. Tomorrow we'll see how the market shapes up tomorrow. I'm still down in my options portfolio. If it's beneficial to my options portfolio tomorrow, I'll go in 2 contracts again, or 2 options again. If not, I'll just size down to 1. Cause this was kind of BS. Like, I mean, it stopped me out literally at 1 cent. That's very frustrating. Okay, here I think I'm gonna add this. Whoops. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. Why does it? Like, that doesn't make any sense. So here I added down there. If it gets back up like halfway here, I'll probably just stop out, or I'll probably just break even at this point. Or this could go down. If it goes down and hits my stop, it hits my stop, and this will be a crappy day. But let's see what happens. So it's right on prior close at the moment, so there should be some buying down here. Yeah, it's gonna hit my stop. What a big yikes. What a horrible trading day. I mean, I'd love for the market to go down in the short term, but, or I mean the longer short term, but here I just kind of want it to go up so I can, you know, make a profit on this trade. Here I'm going to, you know what, I'm just gonna let it go. Let's see I'll just let it go and see what happens. So there's a lot of buying and a lot of selling right now. So it really is fighting. Let's see which one's gonna win. So we had these stack imbalances right here. If it can't get past these, then it's definitely going down lower. And I'll have to stop. It's gonna hit my stop. But we will just let it go and we will see. I mean, ideally I would love the market to sell off hard to recover some of my options portfolio. But I did enter, I'm not even sure why I entered this trade. I just came back, it's the middle of the day, I'm not sure why I've been in this trade. So I guess if it goes back to break even on the SPY, so I need a little bit more. So I'm at 26, so I'm gonna wait for it to go, come on, go back up. Get back up there, get back up to, okay, do I stop out for a loss, for a small loss, or do I keep it going? Nope, not putting any past there, I guess. Actually, in these cases, I think, yeah, once to get back up, okay, I might have missed my chance to get out. Let's see if I can get back up there. Nope. Okay, so I definitely should have just stopped or broke even there. That was really, because here you're really, so in this situation you're really looking for that second candle off of your initial candle to be a winner, right? Rarely, okay, here I'm gonna stop out in just a little bit. Come on, go up a little bit. Okay. So I stopped out there, small loss. So here you're really looking for it to, okay, now it goes up. That's just great. So here you're really looking for this candle here to be, you know, an immediate winner. In this case, it did kind of work out that it came back up, but rarely is it gonna break this candle here. So in this case, when you add it down here, you should just stop. That was the right move, just to stop out right there. But you know, see, now it's going back down. So that was the right move, just to stop out. Because ideally, you just want it to, let's see, in the situation like here, right, where it goes up, and then you short here. And immediately this one is, you know, a winner. It might have come back up a little bit, but then it closes red. Here closes in the direction of your trade. Here it closed in the opposite direction. So I added down here, you know, worst case scenario, I'll stop out my initial stop. Best case scenario, I should probably broke even, which is what I did. So that was a good trade in the sense that, you know, I did what I'm supposed to do. But yeah, so that's the day. Really, how did I get this? Is really annoying. I get stopped out at the last on the penny. That's really annoying. But anyway, so that is what it is. Unfortunately, I can't enter in any more trades in the 0 DTE because it's a little bit too late now. And it looks like it might be going down a little bit more. which is what I hope it to do. And so that is really frustrating. So I'm gonna turn it off now. I'm just gonna run some simulations on some other stuff because I am really tired of trading. Tomorrow, yeah, if the market is good for me, I'll stick with the 2. If it's bad, I'll go back to 1. For the 0 DTE, the small cap, I think I'll stay at where I'm at now. Oh yeah, I guess one of the problems with small cap is like my entries are pretty good, are pretty decent. The problem is that I have trouble staying in for for any substantial gain. So I'm just kind of like nickel and diming or penny and nickel the market. I guess it works, but you could take a really nasty loss and just kind of wiped away all of that work. So I do want to work on staying in the market a little more. The SPY, I guess it was good today. The only obviously I missed this trade. So some really good, like really good patterns here. Long here, that'll be a full win. Short there, that'll be a full win. Really good patterns in the market right now. Even here, you might even consider taking this one here. And you got some people trapped up here. That would have been pretty decent too.